Have you ever invested your money with Acorns? If so, you may be wondering what would happen to your money if the company were to shut down. This is a valid concern, as any investment carries some risk. In this video, we'll explore what would happen to your money if Acorns were to shut down. What is Acorns? Before we dive into the risks of investing with Acorns, let's take a quick look at what the company is. Acorns is a micro-investing app that allows you to automatically invest small amounts of money from your bank account into a diversified portfolio of stocks and ETFs. The app is designed to make investing easy and accessible for everyone. The risks of investing with Acorns. There are a few risks associated with investing with Acorns. The first is the risk that the company could go out of business. If this were to happen, your money would be at risk. However, it's important to note that Acorns is a well-established company with a strong financial track record. The risk of the company going out of business is relatively low. The second risk is the risk of market volatility. Stocks and ETFs can be volatile, meaning that their prices can fluctuate significantly. This means that your investment could lose value if the market takes a downturn. However, it's important to remember that investing is a long-term game. Over time, the market will likely recover from any downturns. The third risk is the risk of fees. Acorns charges a small fee for its services. While these fees are not exorbitant, they can add up over time. It's important to factor these fees into your investment plans. What happens to your money if Acorns shuts down? If Acorns were to shut down, your money would be safe. The company is required to hold your money in a segregated account. This means that your money would be protected from creditors in the event that Acorns goes bankrupt. In the event that Acorns does go bankrupt, your money would be transferred to another financial institution. This process can take some time, but you would eventually get your money back. How to protect yourself from investment risk. There are a few things you can do to protect yourself from investment risk. First, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing any money. Second, it's important to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. Third, it's important to set realistic expectations for your investment returns. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on building a long-term investment portfolio that will help you achieve your financial goals. Conclusion. Investing with Acorns carries some risks, but these risks are manageable. If you're comfortable with the risks, Acorns can be a great way to start investing. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks before investing any money. Additional tips. Consider using a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is an online platform that can help you build a diversified portfolio. Set up automatic deposits. This will help you save money regularly. Review your portfolio regularly. This will help you ensure that your investments are on track to meet your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Please note that this video script is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice.